Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Daniel Monteroso and I here and excited to share with you our website called PetCare with the implementation of the strategy design pattern. But before we start explanation more about our website, I have prepared for some mock-up video presentation about the website. So take a seat, back and relax, enjoy the video, and we will come back to after it's done. Hello and once again, I hope you enjoyed the video presentation of our website. So now, I'm going to present my screen in order for your visual and see more clearly about our website, and as well as the description, navigation, interface, and the implementation of the strategy design pattern on our website. Hello and welcome everyone. So this is the main GitHub page of our website. You can access the source file we use like the asset file, CSS file, JavaScript file, and page, and lastly HTML file. In asset file, this is the picture we provide on our website. In CSS file, the design, about, contact, pricing, services, style, JavaScript, and script JavaScript, and the page. But included about, contact, pricing, and services. And lastly, HTML. This is our code. To use or navigate our website we created, you just need to download the zip file. How to download it? This code, click the code, and download the zip file. And wait for the downloading. And go to File, and right click, extract all, extract, wait for extracting, and this is double click, and the index, this is our website, double click the index, and this is our website, the homepage website. This for stop theme, once you click, scannable is to appear at 3 highly training trustworthy staff member who provided genuine love and expert care. They ensure your pet are safe. And same as space for your pets, comfort for your pets. We offer a cozy and clean and relaxing environment for your pets, and modern equipment and method. The modern equipment and the latest pet care method, from grooming tools and training techniques. And lastly, the good space for waiting of our client. We provide special air conditioned waiting area for client to enjoy a comfortable atmosphere with seating refreshment and viewing windows to see your pets while they being cared for. And this is client review. Satisfied to our service. Once you click the service, this is discussed by RB and also discussed by our pricing RB Labitad. For the about us, discussed by Sam for the about us, and also the contact us.
Hello everyone, my name is Arby Lionel S. Levitan, and today I'll be sharing about pet care, a website made to help pet owners take better care of their pets. It offers different services and plans to keep our pets happy, healthy, and well cared for. Okay, and let's start in services. The main banner of the website carries the slogan, "Pets are our best friends." Emphasizing the company's love and care for animals, it also includes an inspiring message about how pets, especially dogs, listen and stay connected with their owners, showing that pet care values the emotional bond between human and animals. Below the banner, you can see the section titled Our Services presents the four major services pet care provides. First, pet boarding. Pet boarding offers safe and comfortable housing facilities for pets and their owners are away. Second one is the pet grooming. Pet grooming focuses on maintaining the cleanliness and appearance of pets through proper grooming. The third one is pet feeding. Pet feeding ensures that pets receive high quality food for their health and nutrition. And the last one is the pet training. Pet training helps pet become more disciplined, friendly, and obedient through professional training session. Each services is represented with an icon and a short description along with the learn more and more button for additional details. The page layout is clean, visually appealing, and easy to navigate, making it user friendly for visitors. Okay. Let's go to the pricing. The pricing page presents three membership options designed to meet the varying needs and budget of pet owners. Each plan provides a combination of shelter, grooming, training, feeding, and medical checkup services to ensure that every pet receives proper care and attention. At the top of the page, the heading Our Pricing is displayed in a bold emphasizing transparency and helping customer easily compare each package. The pricing plans are organized in a three-column layout: Basic, Pro, and Premium, with a clear pricing details, inclusion, and a Buy Now button for quick access. And the first one, let's go to the Basic. Basic plan, which we will be paying 578 per year peso per year. The basic plan is an affordable option ideal for first-time pet owners or those who need minimal services. It includes 2 hours of free shelter, monthly grooming, 1 hour of pet training and gym use per month, weekly quality food, and a quarterly checkup. And let's go to the Pro plan. Pro plan is you will be paying 1,447 peso per year. The Pro plan offers greater benefits and flexibility. Members enjoy 8 hours of free shelter, monthly grooming, 2 hours of training per week, quality food twice every 4 days, and check up twice every 3 months. This package is best for pet owners who want consistent care and training for their pets. The last one is the premium. Premium plans, you will be paying 2,896 peso per year. The premium plan provides the highest level of services. It includes unlimited shelter, monthly grooming, unlimited training and gym facility access, 4 high-quality meals per day, and a monthly veterinary checkup. This plan ensures complete and continuous care for pet owners who want the best experience for their animals. Overall, the pricing page is clear, professional, and user-friendly. It effectively communicates the value of each plan, helping customer make informed decision according to their needs and budget. The layout, design, and structure reflect pet care commitment to providing quality and affordable pet care services. That's
Hello,
all.
I am Samuel Ibrahim. Welcome everyone. For the About Us section, we are Pet Care. We are the group of animal lovers who are passionate to take care of your lovely pets. We provide various facilities to your pet as our shop. Our shop is spacious. We have various equipment which will make your pet happy. So let's turn on the contact us section. So as you can see, we have a support and email, and also we have a contact phone number. Contact us Pet Care using the email of Pet Care, which is rvleonaglavitad@gmail.com, and you can also call us at this number. Provide contact number 0907-455-9548.